Hi guys, it's Ray. I just had a package delivered, actually, two. I'm assuming these are the same company. I've had a couple reach out to me recently, asking if I wanted to try products, and I haven't done any PR in a while, so I said sure. So let's see what we got. These don't even have a company name on the outside, so I'm just guessing that I know what they are. Yep. Okay, so these are from PYD Life, and they will be sublimation blanks. So I'm going to have to get my room picked up because my printer is been sitting unused for a while, so it's going to need a cleaning and, you know, all of that fun stuff. So here's the bigger package. Lots of goodies in here. Oh, Sublimation stainless steel straws. Interesting. Sublimation something rounds. And one more in here. Sublimation silicone straw topper. Not covers, toppers, I believe. So let's check them out. We're just doing an unboxing today. I will get set up and we will do a video hopefully a little bit later in the week of what we got. But again, these are from PYD Life. They're all available on Amazon. They gave me a choice of like the straw toppers or ornament blanks and stuff, but we did ornament blanks last year, so I thought these were a new to me product. I hadn't seen these yet, so I thought these would be fun to do. So give me 1 second. I always like to try something different when I can, and I thought these would be kind of cute to you know, pair with tumblers for sales or whatever. So I had to get my cutter to open these boxes up. Let's see what they are. Oh, these are cool. These are really cute. So I guess I'm gonna look and see. Sublimation silicone straw topper. So they're just the little sleeves that go around the straw. And it does tell you what size for a print template and print settings and whatnot. So my understanding is I'm going to sublimate onto the little aluminum disc and then put that onto the topper itself. Bring this closer so you can see it. And they did have assorted shapes. This package is the round, and it comes in several really cute colors. So that's neat. And next we have mixed colored heart shaped, it says on the box. I was thinking about doing some just even with my like turtle logo turtle. Not the name, but just the turtle would be cute. And then maybe just some patterned or whatever. But here are the little blanks and same assorted colors. These would probably be fun with just like assorted patterns that incorporate these colors, I think. And that way, if I don't have an exact template, say for the heart, I would be able to go over the edge and it would line up. So same instruction sheet, very helpful. Some products don't come with instructions at all, so I appreciate that PYD Life does include instructions. And this one is a 12-pack mixed color. It doesn't say what shape it is, but it's a round sheet, and it is like a scalloped edge. And these ones are a little different. They are single-sided. Oh, and these ones are actually straw covers. Cool. Like actual toppers, not just slip around the straw. So more round discs to sublimate on. I don't know why I closed that box up. So these ones are designed to slip over the straws. And then these ones actually are a topper. Sorry about the crinkling. I know there's some people absolutely insane. And these are all really well wrapped. So I'm sure I had, oh, they were just the round discs. So that is that. I'm going to leave that out a second, and I'm going to open up these straws. This is a 10-pack of straws. Actual full sublimation straws. I'm not going to open these. These do have shrink wrap that go around them. I don't know how the heck to press a straw. I guess the same way you do a pen, but I've never actually done a pen either. So let's look at what their directions say. I mean, I actually can't print big enough for these, I don't think, so I would probably have to leave like a white bottom and top. But full directions for these, template sizing, that is super helpful. It shows them being baked in an oven. I do not have an oven to bake them in, so I may have to try doing them with a heat gun, because I know that is possible for straw or for sublimation. We'll try it. So, but that is kind of neat. Oop, I don't want to open these up because I don't want to touch the straws. I think they're individually wrapped in this package, but I'd rather not mess them all up. I would probably wrap my straw, put the plastic on it, and then I'll probably hold the end with tongs or something and try it with the heat gun, because that is the best I can do. But this is cool. I didn't even know these existed, to be honest. So neat. They're a pretty heavy duty straw. Let me grab one of these out. I'm just going to grab one of the heart ones. I like that they're all, I hate that they're all individually wrapped. This is going to be the adhesive on both sides. So I'm going to grab a straw quick. Just a regular straw. So it fits pretty good. It's going to be a little bit loose, but that's fine. It'll just sit on top of the cup anyways. So that is those ones. They're just straw decor, just a little added bonus. And then this one is an actual, like, to cap your straw. And it is a little big on this straw, but it might not be that big on, like, my colored straws and stuff. So we're definitely going to do up a bunch of these and see what happens. I will link these on Amazon. Yeah, so you print on these and then stick it to this. That's how that works. Very cool. Thank you, PYD Life. We will definitely test these out, like I said, this week at some point. I will get to them. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to make sure I got this up so you could see some of their new products. Because they're definitely coming out with a lot of new stuff. Like I said, I turned down ornaments, but they have a zillion blanks, and like I said, things I didn't even know existed. So fun. We're gonna get to these, and I will see you soon with that.